Which of the following equations is true? Starting with answer choice A, let's reduce this fraction down to its simplest form. To do that, we can pull out the greatest common factor from the numerator and denominator, which is 25. 25 divided by 25 will give us 1. 400 divided by 25, I know that 25 can go into 100 4 times. So if we need to do that 4 times to get to 400, we would do 4 times 4, and that tells us that 25 goes into 400 16 times. 1/16 is not equal to 1/15, so A is incorrect. For answer choice B, when we're converting a percentage to a decimal, we need to do division. We need to divide our decimal by 100, because normally when we turn a decimal into a percentage, we multiply by 100, right? So we need to do the opposite if we're going backwards. When we're dividing by any multiple of 10, we are moving the decimal point to the left the same amount of places as there are zeros. So this would be 0.005 in decimal form, which is not 0.0005. There are 3 zeros before the 5 there, so they are not the same. Answer choice B is incorrect. For answer choice C, all we need to do is add up the digits of our add up the numbers in our last digit, and that will tell us if our answer is correct just based on that one digit. We can start with 8 plus 1, which will give us 9, and then we can subtract 7 to get 2. 2 does not match our last digit of 3, so C is also incorrect. By process of elimination, D has to be our correct answer. So at that point, you could mark it and move on with the test, but for the sake of the video, I will continue to solve and show you why D is correct. To do this math in answer choice D, we would need to find a common denominator. I know 3 times 4 is 12, and 6 can go into 12 2 times, so let's make 12 our common denominator. 3 times 4 will give me 12, so I can multiply the top and bottom by 4 to get an equivalent fraction. 4 times 3 will give me 12, so I need to multiply the top and bottom by 3 there. And then 6 times 2 will give me 12, so I need to multiply the top and bottom by 2. Just rewrite that, times 2. So now we can do our math. 2 times 4 will give us 8 over 12, plus 3 times 3 will give us 9 over 12, minus 1 times 2 will give us 2 over 12. 8 plus 9 will give us 17 over 12, minus 2 over 12, which will give us 15 over 12. To simplify this, let's put it into a mixed fraction. 12 can go into 15 one time, with 3 left over. And then we need to simplify that fraction down to its simplest form. Pull out a greatest common factor of 3 from the top and bottom. 3 divided by 3 is 1, so we'll have 1 and 1 over 12 divided by 3, which is 4. Making answer choice D the correct answer.